Hello, I am Dr. Vinneta Singh Tandon. I am a senior consultant internal medicine at ISIC Multi-Speciality Hospital. Medications can save lives, but if used inappropriately, they can cause serious harms. Now let us discuss what are the most common mistakes which the patient do while consuming medications and how can we improve them so as to ensure a safe delivery of the medications. My most important advice to all the patients would be, please do not self-treat yourself. Lot of viral illness do not need the use of antibiotics. They are self-resolving. They resolve in a period of 5 to 7 days. Usage of antibiotics will only lead to antibiotic resistance, which means that the antibiotics which are today effective will not be effective tomorrow when you will be needing them the most. So without the prescription of doctors, please do not overuse the antibiotics. Second advice would be, please follow your doctor's prescription precisely and as it is. Modifying the dosage, the frequency and duration as per your convenience is not advisable. Doubling the dose, reducing the dose or extending the duration from 7 to 10 days by yourself or reducing the duration from 7 to 2 days is also not encouraged. When you stop the antibiotics or any medications immediately, it may cause serious harm to you. Stopping the drugs like diabetes medications, blood pressure medications or heart medications if your blood pressure, sugars are in the normal range is also not advisable without the doctor's prescription. Number third would be that it is not encouraged to reuse the same prescription all again whenever you are having the same illness again and again. Also, you should not be sharing the prescription with your relatives and the friends if they are also suffering with the same illness. Every individual needs a different treatment and every disease needs to be managed differently. So please contact your doctor for any such advices. Number 4 would be, it is always a good idea to be vigilant about the reactions. If you have had any reactions from any medications in the past, please make a note of it and always share it with your doctor. Do not forget to mention about the current prescription which you have been taking with any other doctor, any herbal remedies which you have been taking or any over-the-counter medication. This is to prevent the drug-drug interactions which can cause serious harm to you again. The last but not the least would be, always store your medication safely away from the heat, away from the moisture and the sunlight. Keep away from your children's hands and check the expiry date before the use of the drugs. Medication safety is a shared responsibility between the patient and the doctor, and we should be vigilant enough to ensure a safer delivery. Thank you.